Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al once again. We got something different today since it's I think I mentioned this before, it's my birthday today, so I'm gonna well, if I do get this done and uploaded, it'll be the last one till I get back. So we're gonna go with take one because I haven't tried this one yet. It's called Amnesia by Pickaholic, and it is special because it's a padlock. I used to be able to pick these American locks. I have a couple old ones that when I first started lock picking, before I even started uploading videos to YouTube on lock picking, I'd sit there and just pick away at these American locks. The 5200s is what I have. I have a couple of them I've had for many years, and I just pick them and change the pins around and pick them again. And I mean, I was actually really good at them. And then I stopped picking on those and started with all the other, like the Yales and Schlags and all that with the bigger pins. I think that has something to do with it because anyways, when I go back to the American locks and basically most padlocks, I suck. I kind of lost that touch that I had for them because they used to be really easy for me, like really, and now they're not. But anyways, there's the it does have a key right there. There's a bitting on it, so we can already tell there's something high in the back there, so we'll have to deal with that too. So without further ado, let's go ahead, and I think I can come in a little bit back over this way. That'll be alright. Okay, so yeah, let's and that's just me making excuses because I can't open them very good, but really it's a trip because ever since I started on all them other locks, I lost the touch for these locks with the smaller pins for some reason. So this will be a special one if I do get it open, and if I do and I do get it uploaded, it'll be kind of like my little sign off video for a little while. I think I just got 2, 3. Okay, I don't know if that was might have been an overset. Can't feel in there that good. That felt like a good one. 3, 4. Got a little click. Whoa. Slipped off the ledge. Easy, Tiger. You know what? Let me use this other. It's another Peterson, but it's got the flat top on it. There we go. I think it's 3. Felt good. Coming back out though, I dropped 3. That was a nice click. I don't know if that's all it wants. Oh, there we go. That was nice, I think. I don't know. Let's see if we need to oh, that's some counter. I don't know if that was good though. Let me see if we need to deal with that one in the back yet. Let's try a hook here. My cat's tripping out. Okay, I felt like a good click from the back there. What's the matter, little guy? You want to go outside? Yeah? Really? Can you give me a minute? Appreciate it. I'll give you some of that special canned food you like. Fair enough. Okay, I'm lost now. I don't know. Yeah, I felt like I got the one in the back. I'm not sure. Let me go back up front here. Oof. I don't know if that was good or not. Felt good. Oof, did I get it? Oh, nope. Nice deep falset though. I thought it was open. So I'm on the right track, I think. Okay, so now let's see. Maybe it's the one in the back. Because that's a pretty good falset. I don't know if you can see that. Now let's see if it's the one in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to get it with this skinny little pick. Got it. Boom. There it is. Booyah. All right. I don't know how long that took, but let's see if we can't get this sucker gutted in a decent amount of time. Okay, where we at? Let's go this way. Yeah, we can keep it there. Not to jack with the camera a whole lot. Fair enough. Okay. Yeah, we can keep it like that. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Beautiful, man. Looks like a Phillips down the center there. Nice. Oh, you know what? I think I better yeah, lock it back up. We got the key, so it don't matter. Nice. Like I said, I haven't gutted one of these either in quite a while, so this might be a treat. This may be a treat. Alright. Oh, looks like it was don't have a shim or a wafer, a bypass wafer thing either, but I don't have one of those tools anyway, so okay, so we got a clip back here. I remember that much. Okay, so far so good. Haven't broke nothing yet. Let's get that out of the way. I'm not sure if you shim these, but I'll try. God, it's been so long, man. I'm rusty. Okay, that went in pretty good. Now I'm guessing it's this little guy I haven't used in ages. I hear you, buddy. Oh, got it. Okay, beautiful, man. Alright, so we do got 6 chambers all occupado. Nice. Looks like they all needed picking. Nope, we got an overset trap right there in number 4, big time. See that? I mean, I don't think that needed picking at all. That's right there. Maybe just a little hair. That's it. Alright. Golly, these are small. Boy, oh boy. Alright, we got, I can see threading in 1, 2, 3, and 6. So 4 and 5 are standard. Threading in 1, 2, 3, and 6. On the core. Go upstairs. There is a black mark on the front there, so we'll roll with that. Oh, and I put a shim in there. Oh, it's already out. Okay, losing my head. Alright, see what we got upstairs. These little teeny guys. It's like a nice, deep spool. Hardcore. Oh, you know what? Getting ahead of myself here. Sorry. Get these fixed up here. Man, those are serrated too. A lot of work goes into those little tiny guys. Little baby spring. Okay, number 2. Another like serrated type thing. I'll get a close-up on these when I'm done here, as usual. 3, ooh, popped up. Got a serrated-y, yeah, I'll call that serrated. Maybe a micro spool. Where you at? I don't think it's popping up. There it goes. There's a pin. It had to come out of 4. Oh, there's a spring. Okay, maybe it was just compacted in there. Looks like a standard, number 4. You know what? It might be too late. It's already coming out. Spool 5. Another baby spring. And if I can, yeah, there we go. Go around the other side. And get 6. Another one of those spool. Homemade spool. Very nice. Alright, we got them all. And I can see some work. You can tell from the top. So that's the front. So we got threading in 1, 5, and 6 it looks like. 1, yeah. 1, 5, and 6 are threaded on the Bible. Okay, freaking awesome. I'm so glad I got that. But I have lost the touch I used to have for these locks, honestly. Okay, again, Amnesia by Pickaholic. Freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Scoot these down a little tad bit here. We'll take a close-up. Okay. Check that out, huh? Let's go like this. Okay, key pins. We do have a serration on this, a serration or 2. So we'll just say serrated there. Serrated in number 2, same in number 3, same in number 4, 5, and 6. They are all serrated on the top. Drivers, we've got a spool with a nice sharp end on it right here in number 1. 2, we call that serrated, like double serrated. Same in number 3, and it looks like, yeah, we'll call that with serrated. 4 is standard. 5 is like a micro spool, because, well, I say micro because they're just small pins, but it is spooled. And I mean, yeah, 5, and then 6 is a nice spool with a sharp end on it again. And then the springs all do look standard. This one looks like a little shorty. They're all short, but that's even shorter. Okay, awesome. So glad I got that. Alright, and like I said, if this isn't too crazy long, I'm going to go ahead and get it uploaded, and this will be my sign off for till I get back, y'all. So everybody just stay cool, keep it real, keep it legal, and so we can keep this thing going, man. Alright? Alright, Big Al, signing off.